The National
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Boone County and north-central Illinois, northeastern Oakland County and north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County and north-central Illinois until 4:15 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Snowman Valley and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford Airport, Rockford, Loves Park, Cherry Valley and New Milford. Other locations affected, Rock Valley College,